Here we go then. Onto the Jetta. So we thought we'd get on with it, and what we're going to do is get the back end jacked up in the air, lower the axle down and see where we're at, because we've got a bit of damage, a bit of rust inside the arches. Not too bad at the moment, but we want to get in there and give it a good pressure wash out and see where we're at. A little bit of damage there, but it's not actually a dent, it's just the paint scuffed off, so arches are going over it, so I'm not too worried about that. So yeah, we want to get some bits done. Not too bad this side either. The arches looks about the same, you know, sort of general build up of rust. 100,000 mile car, bit of rust on the tailgate on the fuel cap. But yeah, let's get it jacked up and see what we can see. So we're up in the air, so we just give it a quick clean up. Doesn't look too bad in here. General road grind, bit of contamination, corrosion. Not too worried. Should be good. This side, however, needs some work. Inside the arch, not too bad. Bit of dirt, not a problem. Brake lines don't too bad. This is where we have a problem. There's a big hole. Well, two really. You get me big finger in that one, and it's crumbling. Not too good. And there's a really big hole there. And obviously this is the axle mount, so that's an MOT failure big time. There's a bit came out, and also that's where the axle mounts to, and it's rotten. So we'll have to redo that, but hey ho. Wow, it's all cleaned up pretty well. Not too much to be finding there. The arch we know about. This little pad here is actually like a sticker bung for the chassis legs, so don't worry about that. Yeah, not too bad in there, not too bad. All cleaned up. Last bit of squirting under the pan. It's all cleaned up quite well. It's either dirt, grime, or just really badly paint dust over there, but that's the original colour under there. Not too bad. The factory underseal is doing its job as it does, so we're not too worried. It'll have a good proper degreasing under there before we put any kind of pre-treatment or wax stuff under there. So cheers for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.